In the first unit, we looked at how to form questions. Let's have another look. Grace is on a train in Russia. She meets Michael, a German tourist. Listen to their conversation.
Where are you from, Michael?
I'm from Stuttgart. Do you know it?
No, I don't. Why did you come to Russia?
My girlfriend lives in St. Petersburg.
Grace asks a question with the main verb be. Where are you from? In the question, the verb be comes before the subject, you. Michael asks, do you know it? And Grace asks, why did you come to Russia? In these questions, the main verbs are know and come. The speakers add the auxiliary verbs do and did to form the questions. Let's look at how we form questions. In questions with be, we change the order of the subject and the verb. In most other questions, we use an auxiliary verb, do, does, or did, before the subject and the main verb. The main verb is an infinitive. When we ask for information, we use a question word. When you're ready, go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no. That's correct. We ask, where were you yesterday? And did you make this food? Well done. You've finished. Remember, you can come back and use this language check again when you want to practice forming questions.